Good morning, students. I welcome you all to this accountancy class. So today I'm going to solve this problem which right now I'm going to explain you with all detailed explanation, analyzing with detailed information, right? So let me read the problem first, then second part will be solution, right? So following are the balance sheet and the receipt and payment account for the, what is this name, Buddhivardhaka Library, Shirsi. Yes, Buddhivardhaka. Okay, these are the accounts related to library, right? So then what are the information given? See, the opening balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. So previous year is 16/17 and current year is 17/18, right? And see, liability side what they have given, outstanding rent 200. Okay, so previous year some expenses was outstanding, so which we will pay it this year. It means deduct from the concerned expense. Then capital fund is given 23,800. Then come on the asset side, cash in hand 1,400, the books worth 14,000, asset. Cash in hand we are not taking, you know it. Books are the asset 14,000, and this year what is purchased we have to add. Furniture 8,000, and outstanding subscription for the last year were 600, which might have received this year, means deductions from the current year subscriptions, means total subscription. Okay, then see the receipt and payment account. What are the total receipts and payments made during this year? So last year closing cash balance will become this year opening cash balance 1,400 in the receipt and payment account. We have taken it. Then total subscriptions were 12,000. Out of that last year subscription 600, which we are going to deduct. Entrance fees 200. Generally it is a revenue expenses, but we have to see what is supposed to be treated in the adjustment. Okay, then sale of old newspaper, revenue receipt 1,000. Sundry receipts is revenue receipt 600. Then donations are 4,000. This also we should see what instruction is separately given for these things, right? Next comes payment side. First one is rent. Okay, and this rent includes last year rent which was outstanding in the last year, which we paid this year. So deduct that 200 from 2,400, right? Then printing 1,200, office expenses 2,800, all are revenue expenses only, these two. Then books bought 10,000. See, books are the asset, so purchases made during the year 10,000, and they have given the date of purchase 30th September, means middle of the year. We have to leave the 30 September because it is last day. October, November, December, January, February, March, means 6 months, right? 6 month depreciation for 10,000 we should calculate, and 14,000 for the remaining full year, right? And investments are worth rupees 2,000, which are the assets, and closing cash balance is given 2,600, right? So this we are going to take in the balance sheet, cash in hand, right? Now what are the adjustments given? See, adjustments 1, outstanding rent this year. Once again, outstanding rent 31/3 on 31/3/2018 was rupees 300. So current year outstanding, what we will do? Add. Current year add. Remember what I am telling. Then subscriptions receivables for the year 17/18 amounted to rupees 400. So receivable, subscriptions receivable becomes what? Asset. Okay, then these are the current year receivable, means to our subscription we have to add current year outstanding subscriptions, add, right? Subscription received for the year 18-19. So next year, some subscription received for next year, related to next year. So next year related, what we should do? Tell me. Less. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth one, half of the entrance fees and half of the donations are to be capitalized. So here they are given instruction, entrance fees 50% and donation 50% need to be capitalized and 50% are treated as a revenue. Then depreciate books by 10%. So 10% we have to calculate directly on 14,000 and 10% we have to calculate on the books bought during the year on 10,000 for only 6 months. So there 2 calculations you have to do. You can do it in the calculator and directly read the amount, no problem, or you can show the note below there only, just how I am showing in the problem. So that also okay, right? Then with the help of all this information, they told us to prepare what? Income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. So problem is very simple, right? Hope you have understood the analysis what I did just now, and with this information let me solve the problem. So my next part of the video will be solution. So watch it. So students, here I'll go with the solution. I start, and here I have prepared account, that is now I'll name them. This is what? Right, debit, credit, then income and expenditure account for the year ending, for the year ending 31/3/18, and here expenditure and here amount, incomes amount, and here we prepare the balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. And what are the headings here? Yes, liabilities, L, then amount, asset, amount. Okay, let me start with the opening balance sheet given. Outstanding rent is given, so that we'll do in the income and expenditure account. So capital fund first take down. Capital fund, how much it is? 23,800. Right in the inner column, 23,800. Then assets side we have cash in hand, that we are not taking. Books, right in the inner column, 14,000, and leave around 3 lines because 2 adjustments are there. Then write furniture, and we don't have any adjustment for furniture, so directly you can write outer column 8,000. Then outstanding subscriptions are there, we'll do them while doing the adjustment in the subscriptions. Okay, so income and expenditure account we are prepared here, and now we'll see the receipt and payment account for this. That is, first receipt side is given, subscriptions. Okay, subscriptions total received 12,000, and here we have to do adjustment. Previous year subscription less outstanding subscriptions for previous year. Previous year ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 600. ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 11,400. Right in the inner column, because we have to do other adjustments also, right? So this what is given in the previous balance sheet, that is opening balance sheet, we should do it first only, otherwise sometimes we may forget it, right? Then next comes to the second, entrance fees. Leave 2 lines because 2 adjustments are there, 2 to 3 lines you leave, then write entrance fees. Entrance fees, and the amount given is 2000, and adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 50% capitalize less 50% capitalize 1000. So 1000 outer column, right? And here also you write here add 50% entrance fees 1000. Keep it like that only, because so many other things we are going to add. Sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1000. Okay. Next, sundry receipts. Sundry receipts worth rupees, we have 600, right? Then donations. Donation also they told us to capitalize half. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 4000 less 50% capitalize 2000. So 2000 revenue, and this capitalize here add ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50% donations 2000. ಇದೇನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ to add now. So receipt side we written everything. Now come to the payment side. Rent. Rent rate in the inner column 2400, and last year less outstanding rent for previous year 200 less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right, in the inner column, because one more adjustment is there regarding rent. That's why we have to read question completely first, then we should understand what all items have adjustment and how many adjustments. So on that basis we can leave the lines. Yes, rent over, then leave one more line, then write printing. Printing 1200, no other adjustment. Then office expenses. Office expenses worth rupees 2800, no adjustment. Then books bought. So books are assets, add. They are capital items. Purchased 10,000. Right in the inner column itself, because we have to deduct the depreciation on this, right? So total 24,000. Then investment we have asset. Investment is asset 2000, right, directly outer column, because no other adjustment related to this. Then we have cash in hand. Closing cash balance ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಮರೆಯೋದು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 2600. Right, so we have taken all the payments also. Now directly adjustment, we'll come to the adjustment. So first adjustment, outstanding rent on 31/3/2018 was rupees 300. So current year outstanding ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, current year outstanding add outstanding rent for current year, previous year ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 300, 2500 this year rent. Yes, okay. Next ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಾಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, Liability, outstanding rent 300. So don't forget to enter the second time. And subscription receivable this year, so current year, add outstanding subscriptions for current year 400. Write in the inner column ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್? ಅಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಇಯರ್ outstanding subscriptions 400, right? Next, subscription received for the year 2018-19. So next year subscription, what we are supposed to do? We received in advance, pre-received subscription received in advance. So actually income related to next year we received this year. So it is not income of this year, means that's why less. Subscription received for next year or subsequent year. ಎಸ್ ವೈ ಅಂದರೂ ನಡೀತದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? 800. So 800 not belongs to this year, means our subscriptions are 11,000. Okay, so this we have entered here. This 400 we have entered here. And now this 800, which side? Subscription received for the next year. Advance income received, which side? Liability. So write subscription received in advance 800, or you can write subscription received for 2018-19 or next year, NY, both are okay. So these two adjustment both side we have shown, right? Then what is the fourth adjustment, which already we have done, that is related to entrance fees and donation. Half of the entrance fees capitalized, half of the donation capitalized. So here we have deducted and here we have added. Half we have shown here and half we have shown here. Over that is. Then depreciate the book. Less depreciation at 10%. So first 14,000, ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, 14,000 into 10% directly, ಅಂದರೆ 1,400. Then second depreciation on 10,000, 10%, but for only 6 months, 6 upon 12, because purchased in the middle of the year. So means 500. 1,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 500. 10%, 1,000, and for 6 months it is 500. So total 1,900 is the depreciation. And total 1,900 we have to take here as a expenses. Right here, depreciation on books at 10%, 1,900. Clear? How we did this calculation? This is working note. You can show separately also, or you can do it in your calculator and write directly amount 1,900. There is no problem. There is no separate marks will be allotted for the working note shown separately here. The thing is, this should be correct. Answer should be correct. However you do, depends on you, right? And see these are the items. Everything we have copied now. Now directly what we are going to do, the calculation part starts, and do the total on the credit. Generally surplus will be getting, but sometimes deficit also. You have to check it. 11, 13, 15,600 total, only this much. ಎಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 27 10 19 14 I do somewhere here 1 carry 2 4 5 7 7400 ಅಂದರೆ 15,600 7,400 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 200 8,200 do it once again ಇದೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 3,000 ಇದು 5,500 plus 1,900 1 carry 7,400 but answer is 7,200 anything left? Let's see. Yes, here also write 15,600 then this total ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 4,000 8,400 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ 15,600 minus 8,400 200 7,200 so surplus is 7,200 now it came correct surplus 7,200 ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇಯರ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7,200 ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಓವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ 7,200 ಈ 7,200 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಯರ್ right here 10 1 carry then 4 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 4 14 35,000 so 34 ಎಂಟು 10 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ 8 10 14 34,000 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 35,100 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಡು 100 10 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 10 11 15 35,100 yes got this right 35,100 this also and here also and here this is the solution over very simple problem only thing is while doing this calculations anyhow you can use calculators do it neatly right and find the right answer anyhow answers will not be given in your exam in practice problem will give you can check that okay so once you can do start doing correct problem then automatically you will get the tallied here okay so with this today I conclude the class and in the next class I'll come with the next problem and attend online class today anyhow this is I am making for tomorrow yes you watch it and till my next class take care.